Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to be doing a fun recap of the end of year favorites. So this is my 2021 end of year, from that last period I done favorites to now, of what I have been loving. I have a few fun little things here. I might have showcased one or two before, I think. Actually, probably two items from this little bundle that I have here for you. But I'm excited to show you some that I've just been loving, and I haven't had a lot of real crazy favorites. So yeah, we're gonna start off with some Starbucks because, you know, your boy loves Starbucks. He's always collecting. We do have the winter kind of sparkle cups that came out. There was 5 in a pack of these. I really liked the green one the most, and I've probably used this one the most over this festive period. It's just good for cold drinks and, you know, getting your chill on, and you can just sip away, you know, and be merry and happy. And speaking of more green things, these giant Starbucks mugs, they're like mint green on the inside and then just like the normal forest green on the outside. Very complimentary actually, these two. I just love these, so I did pick up 2 of these because they hold a lot. It's like a big soup cup, and you know those days where you're like really tired and you just want to re-energize your body with coffee. These are perfect, and they cover it all the way up to like your forehead if you had to get to the very last drop. It's like a very special present I got for my birthday. This is from my good friend Amina Martucci. You can go check her out at the link below, Tucci. I think it is her handle. I'll leave it anyways. You can go check her out. But she done an illustration photo of me from one of my Insta pics that I had uploaded, and I love this. She is so talented. Such a lovely gift. Next up was a little investment purchase that I made, and you can see there's a pen to go with it. I did pick up a new iPad. I upgraded from my old iPad to this purple looking one here. It's just, you know, the casual one. I've been doing a lot of design work on here, little artworks like that. Little sneak peek. So I've been doing kind of stuff like that on here. I think it's really great. It's been getting my creative juices flowing. I like this because it's different from a traditional graphics tablet. This is like you are working on the piece of work that you are doing with it. I feel like this is super accurate, and I've been enjoying this thoroughly. Now, moving from like the tech to some gaming, I did manage to, before Christmas, be lucky enough to pick up a PlayStation 5, which I would show you guys, but it's on my TV. But if you want to go experience some, you know, fun times with the PS5, I'm currently playing Final Fantasy VII Remake over on Twitch. I am streaming that on Fridays when this is out. That link is going to be just here as well. Really excited to be playing all the games I couldn't get to play on PS4, and now I can play them on PS5 as well. Another purchase I have here is something a little bit more home decor, and it is this little lantern where you put a lovely little candle on the inside, and basically you could just hang it outdoors. But I have been hanging it from my little chandelier type, I don't know what you call it, ceiling light. Yeah, I've been hanging it off that, and I've been actually, you know, it's not a good thing to do, but I've been sleeping with this on. That's this one. It just reminds me of something from Final Fantasy. Moving on to some, I guess you could say it's healthcare because it is to do with eyesight. So I bought some new frames for prescription lenses because your boy needs glasses most of the time to work on computers and see things from far away, because I've noticed it's just getting worse at this point. So we did get some new spectacles. So we have these ones that look like this, which I like. It's quite very Clark Kent-ish. They're quite bigger than my old ones, my very first ones I had, but I do like these Ray-Ban ones. They look quite snazzy up. These ones as well, which are like my tortoiseshell ones that I have, but I just went for a classic black pair, and I think they're slightly smaller. That's these ones. They look like that. Black Friday had a really good offer on, and you got 2 pairs for practically the same price as one, and a few of these lines were getting discontinued, and I was like, now's the time to get them. Because of this cold weather that we've been having, moisturizer is key, and the one that I've been using other than Lime Bounty was Cosmetic Lad. This one, it does wonders. I like how hydrating it is. It just really like soothes your skin, and especially with this harsh weather that we have right now, I've gone through quite a good decent glob of it. So I usually use it on my elbows. My elbows kind of get like a little bit cracked sometimes. Now, moving on to the last kind of subject of this favorites is fashion. And obviously I'm not going to do favorites without showing you my favorite kind of underwear. And we have these white pair of Lux Modal trunks by CK itself. You know, they're probably the most iconic kind of pair you can go for. They're really soft. They're quite nice band on it as well. Good fit on the leg, and they are really comfortable on. I have reviewed before. If you want to go see me try on underwear in a desert, that's what this range is from. I will link that at the end of this video. Go watch it. I stripped it off in Vegas in the hot heat of a desert and tried on underwear for you guys. So if you want to go see that, that is quite a funny video actually. The first up we have are these sandals. They look like this. I got these this year. Haven't had a chance to properly wear them, but they're really thick jacquard type woven over. I really don't like anything with the little, did they call it the thong? That little thing that goes between your big toe and your like index toe. Is it an index toe? What is it called? Anyways, I used to rip the inside of the skin of that. So I opted for these. Now I thought these are quite nice because they do have sliders, but I wanted something a little bit more holiday wear. They also have quite a chunk. Do you see that chunk on them? They're gonna give your boy some mad height. The others that I've been loving and I've just kept in here because I've been dying to probably wear them, but I wanted to keep them good for this video, were these little slippers. Now, my boyfriend said these look like donkey feet. And you know what? The more I looked at them, the more I thought, well, he ain't wrong about it. So this is what they're like. They're just like really nice slippers. I haven't seen CK do slippers in a hot minute, so I had to pick these little gray ones up. Decent kind of flop to them. They're not like too like sturdy, but they do have a really good rubber sole at the bottom. They're not going to last forever, but they're very nicely cushioned here at the bottom, so I do like that. And I think they're just really great for around the house, especially during the Christmas season that we've just had. I thought these are great just to have around. Yeah, love these. These are quite nice. I think these are a great gift as well. If you can still pick them up, go grab them. And my last little piece for you guys is this Adidas hoodie in velour. It's like a velour. It's in a velour feel material and it's just black and white and it looks quite nice on. So I'll insert a clip of me wearing this. That is this one right here. I liked how it feels. It looks very, not just casual, but it looks a little bit more fancier too. It looks like it's, you know, a little bit sporty spice, but it's also really nice. Yes, that's it for these favorites, guys. These are like some of the highlights of my end of 2021. Hope you enjoy it. We'll be doing other favorites coming up in like March time or April, so stick around for that. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I hope you're having a great start to your year, and I will see you guys very soon. And remember to smash that like button and also to turn that notification bell on when you subscribe so you're notified of any fun content coming up or any new giveaways or anything of the sort. You'll be the first to know. And leave a comment down below what your favorite things of 2021 were, or anything you want to leave in the comments below. Like, you know, just sound off. I want to hear. And I will talk to you guys really soon. Hope you have an awesome day wherever you may be. Until next time, bye-bye. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry. You can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you and goodbye.